Are you overwhelmed by digital marketing but need new leads? Does social media intimidate you, or are you worried about how much time you'll have to invest in content creation in order to be successful? If you're marketing your aesthetic medical practice online, you're probably using Instagram. At least we hope you are. In 2024, it may seem like paid advertising is the only way to go to reach your clients and bring in new leads. While paid ads are extremely effective, this may not always be the best use of your budget, and it's good to diversify your marketing strategy. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some easy tips for managing social media accounts. For those of you who are new here, I'm Kelly Smith, CEO and founder of Projected Growth Consulting. With over 20 years in the medical aesthetics field and having assisted over 5,000 practices, I'm an industry expert, author, and speaker who has built seven-figure businesses and beyond for my clients. If you're looking for better strategies or ways to get more engagement on your Instagram, Facebook, and more, then you're in the right place. Stay tuned for my 4 tips for social media to be your lowest cost per lead. Let's get right into it. Tip number 1, content types. There are 3 content types you should be using in your media mix: inspirational, educational, and entertaining. Every piece of content you post should fall into one of these 3 categories. This is called value-based content, which is essential for engagement as you need to connect with your audience and give them a reason to pay attention to your posts. You can present this value in a variety of ways, such as office content, personality posts, social proof, and promotional content. Utilizing photos and videos from your office are one of the most important pieces of your social media puzzle, especially when it comes to Instagram. This type of content is the one key factor that determines success with your social media clients. Studies show consumers are more willing to talk to people than brands, so this makes it so important you highlight the authentic and human part of your business on your social media pages. Real photos and videos from your office will get much more engagement than graphic advertising your monthly specials. That includes making posts representing you and your team's personality. Personality posts can be staff sharing their favorite treatments or products, reels using funny trends, and so much more. These authentic photos of your team resonate much more than graphics and give your clients an insider look into your team. Social proof can be a great way to provide educational content to your audience, like with before and after photos, videos of treatments being given. Social proof is one of the best ways to show potential clients your expertise. It is also an easy way for viewers to relate and aspire to have the positive results themselves. Tip number 2, it's all about the hashtags. Hashtags are the keywords preceded by the number symbol or the pound sign. These were created and popularized by Twitter, but are now imperative to reaching new audiences on Instagram and most social media platforms. Users can follow hashtags the same way they follow other users and profiles. They also are how social media platforms allow people to search for new content. For example, if you add the hashtag skincare to one of your posts, it is actually likely to show up in the newsfeed of a user who follows the skincare hashtag or is looking for skincare in their search bar. They can see your post even though they don't follow you or know about you yet. Adding the right hashtags to your post is an excellent way to get new eyes on your content, and if your content quality is good enough, providing high enough value, you may even get a follow and a client out of that post. Add hashtags to the description of your post or even in the comments section. Make sure that you research hashtags for your branded treatment services and procedures to see what hashtags are popular and are being used the most. Remember that your hashtags should absolutely remain relevant to your post, or it can do more harm than good. I recommend brainstorming a list of 30 hashtags that match your current content. Select hashtags from the list you create for each post. This can help you stay consistent and increase the search volume. When using hashtags, less is more. Keep the number of hashtags per post limited to 5 at the very most. Some hashtags you use could be the type of service it is, the benefit of the treatment, your location, industry trends, and more. If you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to give us a like and subscribe for more tips on marketing for the aesthetics industry. Let's move on to tip number 3, asking for engagement. Promote your Instagram to existing patients. You want your clients to be engaged with your socials so that they're in the loop about your events, special pricing, or even just as a reminder that their next Botox appointment is due. Your existing clients are also more likely to interact with your content as they are familiar with you and want to support you and your business. The more interactions your posts get, the more viewers they will get shown to. This is known as reach. When you get engagement, your reach or the number of eyeballs will increase. There are several ways to get your clients to follow you on social media. One way is to display signage, which can give your team a reference point to ask clients, hey, are you following us on Instagram? You get bonus points if you use a QR code that links your social media accounts. QR codes are effortless and quick for your clients to use, and you're much more likely to get them to check out your social accounts than if they have to manually search for your Instagram or Facebook handle online. The final tip for optimizing your organic social media is to use quality graphics with consistent branding. If you're putting in the effort to convince people to make the trek over to your Instagram page, we want to ensure that your page overall looks attractive and high quality enough for them to actually hit the follow button. You can push them in the right direction by having strong brand standard presence with consistent colors, fonts, and use of your logo. You also should use aesthetically pleasing and easy to read graphics with high quality photos and videos. This not only will help you gain followers, but also will help you increase your brand awareness. Consider creating brand standards for your practice that your social media and website and flyers all utilize to be consistent. People are more likely to trust a brand that has a consistent look and feel as it shows professionalism, commitment, and effort. Striving for a cohesive social media page can also help you streamline your content creation and strategy and leave you with a beautifully visual, appealing feed, which will have a large impact on your social media performance. There you have it, 4 tips to transform your social media management. How will you implement these strategies to create a buzz on social media for your practice? Be sure to let us know in the comments below. If you're looking for advanced tools and resources on optimizing your social media platforms and other areas of your practice, check out my MEDSPA Growth Accelerator program by clicking the link in the description below. This program has weekly coaching sessions, hundreds of on-demand resources and tools, and a community to support your success. One of my favorite tools, my annual marketing plan, can help you organize all your content for social media for the entire year, all in under 1 hour. You can access this tool and so many more with the MEDSPA Growth Accelerator program. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's all about the implementation.